Hello, here's a new steel. It's a continuous stripping steel. It's a 2.4 kilowatt one. It's not 1.5, it's 2.4. It's sort of in between the smallest one and the 3 kilowatt one I've got. It's as high as 1.5 kilowatt steel, but it's as thick. The diameter of the tubes used as for 3 kilowatt steel, and production rate is quite sizable. This one is made to individual order for one of my customers. So I run just spirit diluted with water because it's about to be posted and I don't want any foreign odors or smells or something. So here's a steel. And here's a stream. It's not adjusted yet. I need to adjust it and see if I can increase the stream, but it's quite fine, quite okay. So here you can see the steam generator on the bottom. Left and right hand side there's two tubes. One of them is a water distributor, another steam generator. This one is steam generator, the small one. And it supplies the steam directly into the column. So some people asking, what if my wash gonna get burned or something? So there's no contact of wash or mesh with the heating elements. Here's a steam generator. The steel entirely runs on a overheated steam, not overheated, just about 100-110 degrees steam. And the advantage of these steels is that the actual wash involved in the process at the minimum possible time. So it just gets in, separated from the wash, the spirit separated from the wash, and comes out. It's not like in a pot still where the wash gonna be boiled for hours and hours, and new chemicals are gonna be formed there, and it's actually really affects the quality of the final spirit. So again, this is a stripping steel, just for stripping. Here the level. Here you can see the wash within the secondary boiler. This boiler runs on steam, by steam. Here's a water supply. I just use a garden hose just to try it, to test it. And it's outside, and it's small, it's mobile. Here you can see the water level and the steam generator. It always sits like that, it stays like that. Everything is on the metal connections, you can see almost everything. And spirit output, it's stainless steel. So technically, if anyone wants, they can run some kind of whiskey or brandy on these steels, but I would recommend secondary distillation. But for the primary distillation, like a stripping steel, this is an ideal solution, I would say. Relatively small, quite powerful. This particular one can replace, I would say, 400-liter capacity pot still. Can be started and stopped anytime you want, and it won't affect the wash anyhow, because wash in a separate container, in your fermenter in a separate room, 10-20 meters away, and it sits by itself, and it's not heated up, not boiled. Again, there is no the steel is not that dangerous like pot steel, 400-liter pot steel would be, with 400 liters of boiling substance inside. If something goes wrong, if something burns inside, you have to stop it, you have to drain it, you have to fix it. With this one you can stop it, there's almost nothing to drain, just few liters of water. This is it. You can check it, and actually with this steel there's nothing in this steel that can be broken, you know. I personally using the similar one for the last 7 years. I haven't done anything to that. And again, it can replace relatively big pot steel, really big pot steel, especially if you're dealing with solids free meshes like a sugar one, molasses, wines. So this one is just a solution. It's really continuous and it can run 24/7, no problems once adjusted. All the time I'm talking to you, I didn't touch it at all. It's all running, because there's many steels, many videos on internet, on YouTube, where they just show part of the steel, a little bit of running, but no continuous work, you know, and there no videos, no information further on this, no updates. I always got an updates, new steels, same principle, they all working, people happy.